welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you what my dad's truck is looking like. We'll find out. Keep looking, Chloe.
This right here.
I'm gonna go back inside. It's kind of cold. I'll come back outside in a minute, but hi, Katie. Let's go back outside. I guess I'm going to help them out. Look good, I found it. Cool. What I can do. Look. Whee! And I'll try to fix the truck. Look at the truck. Let them see the truck. Let them see one of the truck. I'm gonna be in and out, okay? Look at that. Follow me.
Huh? It's on there, huh? You would think it'd take more than that.
No, these are my training wheels, by the way. These things. Go back in. There's a mallet over there. Come on, guys. Let's go. This is this. This is this push. truck. Let's look around the truck. I wonder what color you like to ride the truck. Let's look around the truck. I'm going to be looking around the truck. We're going to get this side of the truck. We're going to have to look at this side of the truck. This is the cool area. Oh my gosh, Chloe, I didn't know that part. Okay, we'll try again. I'm doing that blue. It's time to go inside. It's time to go inside. Let's slide inside. Let's go wide inside. So, me and Mom are going to ping pong together. When we just get out of the bubble. I'm going to fast forward you guys. Not like this one. Let's roll it, and I'm going to do it. Hold on, I'm serious. Why? Just don't let me do it. Okay, let's go back inside. It's getting really cold. Well, if we go back inside, it's going to be warm. Come on, let's go back inside. If you don't trust me, we need to go back inside. No. Please don't. Why did you do that? How are you guys? Good. My hand's getting round. Don't get the face of the camera. Okay, look. Let's see this up. Wait, let's do a real dance. Oh. I'm going to go because I know it. Let's go this way. Yeah, because I can see. Oh, yes, I didn't see that coming. Well, you have to catch it. Well, I also have to go. No, I just started it. I'm supposed to throw it so you couldn't catch it. By the way, I'll have to take you with this. Oh, you guys. Look. 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 Boy, that's nasty. That's nasty for Okay. And you would like to dance, Ty. Okay, let's dance. Let's dance more. Daddy, we're having a special dance party. Special dance party. Now let's do it low. Slow motion. Great. Oh wait, I have an idea then. Holly, if you do it like super duper, very fast. no grandma. I think I'm old. I can get little. Can I get... And that's the wrong one. It's time to play, y'all. Dab. Get the dab on. Wait, ready? Let's see who can do a better dab. Leave in the comments down below and see who dabs better. Dab. And I'll do this. Dab. Go. Okay, let's do a dance like this. Like Sam. Oh man. Wait. I can do like this. I like to move over. Can I get my bag out?
Yeah, hold on, babe.
Okay. Now can I get my bike?
Just trying to make it easy.
Okay, so do this. Okay, what? Okay, clap. I'm Holly's clap. Oh. Let's do a dance party. We're not doing a second dance party. Then what? Bam.
Bending and tugging.
Now please get my bike with me. Everybody comes to the camera. Can you go get my bike?
Her bike in the shed? Yeah, I can get one.
Come here.
Want to come back here with me?
Yeah. Okay. Stay right there, guys. Come on. Hey, don't put that up. Okay. What's my dad's butt? We can wait. I have to go on.
Too low?
No, you have to sit. Like this. Like this. This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, we're going to do two big cookies.
I can loosen it up and loosen it up.
That's what I want to do. I was Daddy's first guess to get the right in the circle. Okay, come on guys, let's go open up this. Same thing, do it in my cat. We got some of these. I don't need that until.
Lower piece.
But,
Swing off in the lower piece. Yeah. I'm
Wait.
gonna go ahead.
Don't worry, I want my jingle bell. Jingle bell.
That was wrong with your exhaust.
Alright, jingle bell. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Wait, don't sing that in the video. Video out. This video is really long. No, it's not. I've seen videos that were like 2 hours. There's no videos that was like 3 minutes. Like 3 hours. Some reason there's some that are 6 hours. I'm sorry. But you don't need to pause, you guys. I got in the college. Okay. Hey London, if you bump into anybody else, if you bump into anybody else, you lose, but you have to try again and hold traffic. Called hold traffic. Oh, wait, I don't want to bump into the thing, guys. Yeah, I don't want to bump into anything. Oh, I moved. Okay, I have to die one more time, then I level up. Okay, how do I die? Oh, no, that's actually a map. You try to die? A Minecraft map? You actually try to die. Pretty cool. I've seen on people gaming it looks like. It's real good at Minecraft. Really popular. And move square. Okay. So but I'm not gaming with Jen, by the way. He's not that good at it. Jen's not that good at it. And I like making it also. You don't like making? No, I do like making it. But I don't like life though. Look at this. Okay, we're going to be playing a track game. You try to not. I have to die one more time, then I level up on this game. You tell me something. You might wonder, why am I going to die one more time? Because, like, this. Oh, I need something to the tube I can actually that. Oh, yeah, I leveled up. Oh, no. I accidentally leveled up to the castle. Oh, now, the day. You're only a villain. No, I ran over you. No, you can't hurt me. You're just making this game unfair. No, I'm not. I'm out. Okay, bye.
Just might as well go.
Oh, I'm out. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this. Well, this isn't over. Well, I'm just saying, it's a little buy these kind of scooters. It's okay. Because these scooters fit like boxes. I guess we'll go to how the wall this. So you can buy it online, but the video's not over. The video needs to have a wait. Okay, so what do you mean by that? The video needs to have a wait. Wait, you can get there first. Hey, wait, I didn't say go. Okay. I'll tell you when to go. Ready, guys? I have to go. I have to get this one. I'll tell you when to go. Thank you! Wait! That was so fair. You said it really quickly. You gotta say 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so I will be the first round. You get it? Okay. Wait. I'm gonna say it so it's fair. No. And up. I'm gonna say it too quickly. Okay, let's not do it. Wait. So you can invite you. Do you want to invite you online? Hey, London, we're not supposed to do it like yet. We're not doing like anymore. Okay, I'm out. Okay, when I come back, don't let this video go. Okay, I'm out. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit that like button.